So I guess we got to talk about this April 8th eclipse. NASA's firing 3 rockets up to the moon's shadow. What? Why? Well, apparently they're measuring atmospheric perturbations around the eclipse path. And that's why they named their program Uphep, after the serpent deity from ancient Egyptian mythology. You know, the one who was the nemesis of Ra, the serpent that ate the sun. It seems like quite a stretch to get that acronym, right? Have you ever noticed they don't name their rockets or their space programs after the Apostle Paul or Moses? Just saying. Oh, and also on April 8th, CERN is firing up their Mandela Effect machine. Their Hadron Collider. Yeah. That's, interesting timing, right? Only to go in the Wayback Machine, Aleister Crowley, famous Satanist, contacted Aiwass, the devil himself, on April 8th, 1904. So, 120 years to the date, this happens. And if you wonder why NASA might name their project after a serpent deity, well, this is their logo. So yeah, once again, it's all connected.